Hey everyone, Jason here with the second update on the Modern Family home. First things first, here's the layout, and I think I went a little overkill. And I was doing this in a live chat, and I kept asking the audience, or telling the audience, what was I thinking? This is large. This is obviously a large house. Is it going to be large like the suburban home? Big. Now imagine this is just 2 stories. This is the first story. I have a feeling I'm going to have to order some bricks. So let's give a rundown of the layout. Of course, here we got a nice oversized 2-car garage. I want to be able to actually park vehicles in this garage. Here we have the entry, the foyer. We have the dining room. Here we have our kitchen, great room. We have a little hallway closet. This is the stairwell. It takes you up this way. We've got a laundry room, half bath, a little hallway in this area, and of course a bonus room. And since this is a modern house, I'm going to try to keep everything clean and modern. I'm trying to keep everything open in this floor plan. I really don't build open floor plans, but this is the first time, so I'm going to give it a shot. These pieces over here are left loose because these are actually going to be windows all around that corner. So I want to keep it pretty well open. I'm going to need a lot of windows in this house. I want to cushion up bricks. I have a lot of white and tan, but probably not enough to build a 2-story house. So I have a feeling I'm going to have to place a few BrickLink orders. And that's something I wanted to build a house with everything I have. And, you know, I've been collecting, some of you guys and gals know I've been collecting a lot of the little sets, like friend sets and stuff to get accessories. So I do have accessories and stuff for this house. I just don't have the bricks, which is kind of backwards. So what I was thinking about doing, and I'm thinking about trying out this pole thing on here, should I build smaller projects along with this? I'm thinking I might maybe build like, let's give an example here, mini builds. Whatever I can fit on that plate, we'll build it. Like a house or a car or something like that, while I'm getting the parts to build this. Okay. Now remember, I was talking about this the first update. I was running out of these dark greens, so I'm sticking this dead grass stuff under here. You won't see it, but I do have enough to finish up this side because I got 2 of these we can put over here, and then my last dark green. And that's pretty much how that's going to go. All right. So yeah, I got a couple of mini builds that I want to start. So I'm going to start building this today. I want to start building it up. I'd like to maybe build this up and start, doing rooms. But I think the first thing I got to figure out first is doing the window and door placement and start putting in floor coverings. I'm getting kind of excited to do this. It's going to be fun. But it is a working layout. It's working. That means now I can actually do something with this. This is going to be really awesome. Lego's awesome. We got to enjoy it, right? So anyways, there it is. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.